Together to have some fun, rewind that last, come closer and enter my circle, you complete me. You know that it's worth it, no more thinking, 'cause it's gonna work, so we'll rewind that last, rewind that last.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a little something different. I bought these shirts from a thrift store with my friend a bit ago, like a month ago I want to say, and I haven't done anything with them yet. And I was planning on like cutting them and kind of just like redoing them because a little bit of them were like too small or too big, so I thought that I would just kind of like redecorate them. I know the whole tie-dye thing is in. I don't have any access to tie-dye currently, but maybe I'll leave some of the ones out that I think would be cute to tie-dye. But I'll just go ahead and show you guys what I got. So the first one I got was just this Red Sox shirt. It's just a normal like Red Sox shirt. I just liked how it was pretty big like here, and I think I might cut this one because it's just like a normal t-shirt. Next thing I got was just this other shirt. I wanted something orange, and this says, I don't even know like what this is. I don't really like look at that, but I thought I would just maybe cut this or like distress it or something along those lines. The next shirt I got was just this black shirt, and it has all this in the back, and it kind of reminded me of like a band rock t-shirt that are kind of expensive online, so I thought that maybe I could also cut this and distress it. Then I got this one's really cool. It's like a vintage thick shirt. It's a Patriots shirt, and this one's like pretty big. Maybe this one I could tie-dye like white and blue, like light blue. Maybe that would look cute. This is just a plain sweatshirt that says some letters on the side of it, but I thought this was really cute and I could definitely do something with this. And then the back just has a symbol on it. Okay, so we're just outside because it's super nice out today, but I brought my sister to help me. Which one should I start with? Like, the orange one. I know I want to crop this one. Okay. Like, do it first? Here, you do it. So wait, like what do I... Hold on. So we just cut all of them, or most of them, and we want to distress them. Which ones do you think?
The black one.
And the orange one. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut the sleeves on this one a little bit so it looks like more distressed. Okay, wait, you might need to hold it. Tweezers. Okay, so for this, I want to like make a little bit of holes in them, so I'm gonna try snipped it. What do you mean? Like, So I just made some distresses, so you just kind of snip a little hole and then you make it bigger with like your finger by like pulling it apart. And then another technique is like kind of scratching at it. Okay, so my sister just kind of distressed this with tweezers. I don't know if you'll be able to tell.
Well, once they're in the wash.
But it's kind of just like not as neat, right? Isn't that basically what it is?
Mm-hmm.
So I think I'm gonna put a couple holes in these too, just to make it look a little cuter. Okay, so this is the first one. Super cute. I just ended up putting little distresses more on the top of this one. I think there might be one in the back. You can see like right there, kind of. But this one's super cute. And then I think I'm gonna like roll this and like iron it. And then I just left the sleeves. And yeah, I thought this one came out cute. Next up, I have this sweatshirt. I ended up putting a little bit bigger distresses, and I thought it would look cute with a sports bra underneath. And yeah, this one came out really cute. I feel like it added a little bit more to the sweatshirt. And then yeah, this one's like a little shorter, but I don't mind that. And then I'm not sure if there's anything back here, I don't remember, but it looks like that from behind. And this one's pretty cute as well. This is just the plain blue one. Just says Patriots on it. And I just did nothing but cut this one because I kind of did a lot to the other ones. But this one's wicked cute too. It's like very vintage like. And this one might have been my favorite. I thought it came out really cute. I don't really have anything orange, so I loved that I got this, that it was orange, and I just like the length of this one. And then I distressed the, oh no, not that. I distressed like right here a little bit, so it just looked not as neat. And it has some holes in the back too, right there, which adds a little bit to the shirt. And yeah, I just think this one's really cute too. So this is the last one. This is just the Boston Red Sox one. This one's like a close second. This one's really cute too. And I just really like how simple and cute this one is. You can just wear it with anything. And I distressed this again. Need to do it a little better, kind of like fold it. And then I actually cut the arms and I want to fold them so that they stay. I think you need to like iron them, but I just think that's like a really cute look. And yeah, this was so simple and easy, and it literally took me like 20 minutes, and it was cheap. Like, I think I have the price tag. Yeah, see, so like this literally says $1.99. Like the orange shirt was like $2. So I know these are like super in style and stuff, and the whole like distressing, and a lot of us are buying these tie-dye things, and you know, they're a little bit on the pricey side. Like, I think every time I've looked to get like a jumper suit or something that's tie-dye, it's been like $80 or something. So that is more on the pricey side. So I encourage you guys to do something like this during quarantine, and it keeps you busy. Now I have some cute shirts that I will probably wear. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Comment down below if you guys end up doing this, or let me know. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!